Here is a wonderful 2017 Acura RDX. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Acura RDX, a luxury crossover SUV that handles whatever life throws at you in style and comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, power liftgate, aluminum wheels. Experience the rugged side of luxury. Get behind the wheel of the RDX today.